Did you know 90% of families aren't ready for the first 72 hours of an emergency? Those critical first 3 days can turn small mistakes into major dangers. This video isn't about fear-mongering. It's about empowering your family with a 72-hour emergency survival kit for crisis and conflict situations, when essential services like electricity, clean water, food, and communication might suddenly vanish. Our goal is simple: preparation, safety, and protecting the people you care about most, without causing panic. During the initial 72 hours of a major emergency, external help is often delayed. Roads can be blocked, stores closed, and emergency services stretched thin. Families who prepare early stay calm and make smart decisions. Those who don't often face panic and increased risks. A well-planned 72-hour survival kit isn't just supplies. It buys you precious time, and time is survival. First and foremost, water. It's the #1 priority. You need a minimum of 1 gallon per person per day. For a 72-hour period, that's 3 gallons per person. Remember to include extra for children, the elderly, and any pets. Always store water in sealed, clean containers. Never rely on tap water during a crisis. For added security, consider water purification tablets or a portable water filter. They are small but incredibly vital. Next, food. In an emergency, food is fuel, not comfort. Focus on ready-to-eat, high-calorie, long shelf-life items that require no cooking or minimal preparation if power is out. Think canned goods, energy bars, dried meals, and peanut butter. Avoid anything that needs refrigeration or extensive cooking. Simplicity and nutrition are key. Even minor injuries can become serious without proper care. A robust first aid kit is non-negotiable. It should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any prescription medications. Aim for a 3 to 7 day supply. Don't forget gloves and masks. Crucially, every family member should know basic first aid. This isn't just about treatment, it's about prevention and managing small issues before they escalate. When power and internet fail, information is survival. Your kit needs an emergency radio, battery-powered or hand-cranked, a reliable power bank for devices, and a dedicated flashlight, not just your phones. Plus, plenty of extra batteries. The rule here is redundancy. Never rely on a single device. Multiple ways to communicate and see in the dark keep your family connected and informed. Even with good intentions, families often make common mistakes. The first is waiting too long to prepare, or packing unnecessary items. Then there's forgetting the specific needs of children or elderly family members. Many also rely solely on smartphones, or have a kit but no actual plan. Remember, a survival kit without a clear plan for its use is incomplete. Preparation is about anticipating, not just acquiring. Ultimately, survival isn't about panic, brute strength, or force. It's about maintaining a calm mindset, clear thinking, and strong leadership, especially for your children. When adults remain calm and prepared, families feel safer and are better equipped to navigate any challenge. If you found this guide helpful and want more practical, calm, and responsible tips for navigating crisis and conflict situations, please like this video, share it with your loved ones, and subscribe to our channel for more essential content. Preparation saves lives, and it always starts before emergencies happen. Stay safe, stay prepared,